Hi there, in this screencast I'm going to show you how to make a new random color scheme every time the user clicks on a button. Okay, so here's my form, my tic-tac-toe game, and I created a button that's called New Color Scheme. Now, when the user clicks on the new color scheme button, I need to generate two new random colors. And I'm going to create those colors by randomly picking three numbers that are between 0 and 255, and then I'm going to create a color using those numbers as the red, green, and blue components of my color. So let me see, but before I can generate the random numbers, I need to declare a variable that's called, I'll give it a name, generator, and then it is a new random variable, um, which is a type of variable that will generate random numbers basically. So now I'm going to declare two new colors. One's going to be called color 1, and then that is going to be equal to color dot from a RGB. And then I'm going to say generator dot next 256 generator dot next 256 and generator dot next 256. Now let me declare another color, and it's also going to be defined the same way. Now, every time generator.next 256 is called, it's literally coming up with a new random number between 0 and 255. So in these two lines of code, when they're executed, I'm going to come up with 6 random numbers between 0 and 255 that are each of them are independent of the others. Now, by coincidence, it may happen that one of them is equal to one of the other ones, but that's strictly going to be random coincidence. Okay, so now that I've generated my new my random colors, all I need to do is set the background color of the form and the background color of the squares and the fonts to be those colors. So I'm going to say, let's see, what is it? Form1 dot back color. I take that back. It should be this dot back color equals color 1, and then I'm going to say I'm going to make all my buttons have the back color of color 2, and so that's all 9 of them. And then I'm going to change the fore color of all of those labels. So let's see what I called my labels. Label 1, 3, 10, and 2. So 1, 2, 3, and 10. And then lastly, what were the other labels called? I think X wins, O wins, and ties. Let's see. That's label 2. Oh. Label 10 with capital L. Okay, and that should do it. Now let me run the program, and every time I click on new color scheme, it's going to generate 2 colors, one for the boxes and the fonts, and one for the back color of the form.